Upgrade your culinary game and ditch the bulky, slow-heating hot plates of the past. Welcome back. If you're looking to boil water in under 2 minutes or precisely simmer delicate sauces in a compact kitchen, the Elite Gourmet Slim Portable Induction Cooktop is the ultimate space-saving chef's companion of 2026. This isn't just a basic burner. It is a high-efficiency thermal powerhouse. The standout feature for 2026 is its ultra-slim 2-inch design, allowing you to easily slip it into a kitchen drawer or pack it into an RV cabinet without wasting valuable real estate. Unlike traditional electric burners that waste tons of ambient heat, this cooktop uses electromagnetic energy to heat your cookware directly, making it incredibly energy efficient and leaving the glass surface cool to the touch. What makes this Elite Gourmet Cooktop a 2026 kitchen essential is its granular culinary control. Packing a punchy 1500W of power, it features 10 distinct power levels and precise temperature management ranging from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 465 degrees Celsius. The seamless digital touch controls wipe clean in a single swipe, while built-in safety features like the integrated timer and child lock offer total peace of mind in busy households. It's the perfect appliance for tiny apartments, dorm rooms, backyard hosting, or anyone who wants the luxury of induction cooking on an everyday budget. Click the link below for the best price and upgrade your cooking setup today. If this breakdown helped you find the perfect portable burner for 2026, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the kitchen tech that makes cooking a breeze. See you in the next one.